Today we're going to be unboxing the Graco Ultimate Quickshot sprayer. For years we have used the handhelds, which you see off to the side, both the cordless and corded. So today we just picked up one of these. These are brand new, and let's see what it comes with. I have not opened this up yet, so it comes in the bag. Alright. Bunch of accessories. I believe this is the belt clip. One big piece. Okay, battery charger. These must be the batteries. The belt. Alright, let's dig into this. It comes with some extra cords. Let's take a look at this first. So, the unit itself looks so shiny. The cup. I do wish it came with a larger cup just to start out with. I could see myself wishing that was larger. Interested to see the gun. Alright. Hose isn't as short as I was thinking it was going to be. There's that. There's the new gun. Still the same tips. Same nozzle. So, let's see what else is in this. Belt clip. Okay. Maybe both the batteries. Obviously the belt. Interested to see what is in here. I am not quite sure what this is. Looks like it comes with some sort of ground plug and then this piece. So I will have to look at that to see what that would possibly go to on this. Be interested to see what that is. Let's see how it comes with two tips. It comes with a 514 and a 210. So 210 is actually often what I use for spraying doors. Comes with another one of these, a little open storage plug, or storage plug, yeah. And then this looks like another screen for inside the cup. Let's see, remove this. There it goes. Inside there you can see a screen. Looks like this is another one of those. Different color. Might be a finer screen. Or actually looks like the same thing. So far it seems pretty decent. So be on the lookout for a video coming up soon of us testing the sprayer out, and we'll see how it works.